Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a fun planter, and in this we've got everything that is going to be sun loving. So we've got some ornamental grass, which is okay with part shade too, but this guy has got some really nice variegation. So we've got like the white striping down the leaves, which is just beautiful. And then we've got dahlias, because I am obsessed. I've got quite a few dahlias that are planted out. And these are the Ibiza dahlias, and they're just going to be a little bit shorter than the other ones I have. And their blooms are just little tiny. They're very cute. And then we have some alyssum. I'm just going to put one of these little snowballs in there. And then we have some petunias that I started from seed. I think it was the end of March I started these guys out. And we've got all sorts of colors, but I think I'm just going to stick with the white in here and make that little dahlia pop out. So let's get going. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. In here I've got some potting soil, just Miracle-Gro potting soil is all that's in here. I don't have any extra fertilizer in here yet because I'm just going to be using some liquid fertilizer after I get it all planted in. We're going to start with the ornamental grass, and I try not to fill it up too full with the potting soil so I had room, but this ornamental grass is going to take quite a bit of space. That looks pretty good. I'm going to leave them up just a little bit, sticking enough from the top, because I'm going to fill this just with a little bit more potting soil at the very end. I'm just trying to give myself a little bit more room to work with. I think I like him about here. Okay. So this specific ornamental grass is going to last from spring and summer. So during the fall we'll do another fun planting with something else in here. And then we have our little Ibiza dahlia. Look at these guys. They're just so cute. Just gorgeous. He's already got so many fun blossoms on him. So I think we're going to go right here with him. And like I said, I think my hand is just a better tool than the spade. Take him out of there. I know I don't need to fluff it up because the roots are fine, but I just think that they get along a little easier and happier when they're kind of brushed out a little bit. Okay. And then I think we're gonna do our alyssum over here. Really close to this guy. I know I'm working in tight quarters, but I'm doing what I want to do. And this alyssum has such a sweet smell to it. And again, I'm just going to kind of brush it out just a little bit. Look at him, he's so cute in there. And I told you I'm going to go through, pack everything in after I put some more soil on the top, just a little bit. And these petunias that I have, like I said, we're going to do a white one, I think. And I planted these guys from seed, and they're definitely ready to go. We've got some root binding here at the end because they are ready to be planted. And he's so tiny. Not too deep. But these are wave petunias that I did, so we should get some nice action from him floating around in there. Alright, You guys look at this. It's beautiful. The dahlia pretty much takes center stage with the color, and it's just amazing. You guys hear a different bird every time I come on camera. There's a woodpecker. And the alyssum looks amazing. And then we have the petunia, which will take up, you know, pretty good space here. And it's just a little bit further behind because I started him by seed. So hopefully in a few weeks, everything is just going to look amazing together. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.